think I'm driving an F-Type. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Reason number one. You always want to drive it like that. Or like this. Really, the conclusion is you're either gonna, number one, go broke because you're driving the car too hard and you're gonna get too many repair bills. Number two, you're gonna get locked up because you're driving the car too hard and you're doing Autobahn numbers in the school zone. Or you're gonna have to get rid of your car because you can't drive any of your family members in it, like your mom, your dad, your grandparents, without scaring them to death. Or you're just gonna slip into deep depression because you're gonna drive normal cars and then you're gonna want to be back in the BMW because ultimate driving machine. Yeah, that sounds about right. I think if I missed any other possible case scenarios, please comment below. But yeah, I mean, yeah, that pretty much does it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video. It's been your boy Eric from Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.